we are. So you can see what I'm doing here. First of all, I think I'll do this. Yes. Go back to our feed. Greetings. This is Tom AF7J here. Let's testing 1212 here. We're going to talk about the ways you can get your Windows operating system to run smoothly today here on Utah Tech Talk. This is a recorded video. We're testing out our recording here and testing out the new program. It's called VHS Capture. It's a capture type program. Allows you to capture what you're doing on your desktop. Let's minimize things here and close Skype for right now. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your start menu and you want to go to the run command. You open up your run command, and the first thing we'll talk about is the one that's already there. It's MS config, which stands for Microsoft Configuration. Hit OK, and System Configuration Utility folder opens up, and you can see they have selective startup and have things set up to where my computer will start up on things that I've selected it to have started up. You can see the Logitech one is there, the Avant or Avera spyware program will start up when I start up my computer. There's other things you can do in here: tools, services. Select which services you want to run and which ones you don't want to run. It has boot initiation, window initiation, systems initiation installs. It's just a really useful tool. It's useful to use if you're having problems with your Windows computer running slowly and not starting up. It could also be that you get a lot of startup programs trying to start up as Windows still trying to start up. You got to treat Windows as though it's your friend, and don't give it a lot of things to hold on to while it's trying to start everything up. I know some people might think, well, Windows is not that friendly. Well, you know, some friends aren't either. The other one is same thing. You just go into Start, and you do your left click and then Programs, or the left click and then left click on Run, and then instead of MS config, you do the %temp%, and then once you've typed that in, you hit OK, and it shows your temporary files that you have stored in Windows. Windows always likes to hold things temporarily. I guess it's so that if you have to go back to that file system that is already there, that loads up quickly. Personally, I feel like it's a program that allows eavesdroppers to sneak in on your temporary files and then give you a nice little worm, or give you something you don't want. So it's always good to go in and do Edit and select all, Control A, and it asks if you want to select these, and you hit OK, and you can go into File and hit Delete and send those babies to the recycle bin, and don't even think about dumpster diving to them. As you can see, it stopped because there's certain programs that are still being run that Windows doesn't want me to delete at this time, even though they're in the temporary files. That's how you get your computer running lean and mean and keeping it healthy. System configurations need to be run in a nice way. As you can see, if I go into my computer and then go left click and go down to properties, you can see that I have a fairly decent computer. It's a 2.4 gigahertz processor with 512 RAM. Before I went from this computer. I was running a 500 megahertz processor with 512 of RAM. And older computer, newer computer, you can get it to run just as good if you just get in the habit of maintaining your computer and keeping it lean and mean and fit. And definitely by going and doing that run command right there, and doing the temp one, and then doing the msconfig really does help. Anyhow, we'll turn the VHS capture file off and go back to Logitech QuickCam so you can see me. Anyhow, this is Tom, AF7J, out here in Ogden, Utah, and it's been a pleasure to try to help you understand a little bit more about how to keep Windows running smoothly. Have a great day, and 73s.